Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Force and Motion. Take the correct answer. What is force? Push, pull, lift, push and pull, and D is the correct answer. When a body changes its position, it is called friction, force, motion, gravity, and the answer is C. All bodies are attracted towards the earth due to force, friction, gravity, motion, and the answer is gravity. If we apply the same force on a toy car, it will travel further on rocky soil, marble floor, floor of bricks, ground, and B is the correct answer. Which machine consists of grooved wheel, lever, pulley, inclined plane, gear, and the answer is B. Write short answers. How are force and motion related? Explain. The act of pushing or pulling a body is called force. The change in position of a body is called motion. Greater the force, greater will be the motion. What is meant by gravity? On which objects does it act? Earth actually pulls bodies towards itself with a specific force called gravity. It acts on all objects. Define friction. In which direction does it act? The friction that stops or tends to stop moving objects is called friction. Friction always acts against the direction of movement. What is a machine and how does it work for us? Everything that makes our works easier is called a machine. The machine makes our work easier by changing the amount and direction of force. Why cannot we walk easily on ice? We cannot walk on ice easily because there is no friction. Constructed response questions. Look carefully at the pictures given below. Which one of these shoes is suitable for rocky soil? Which one for playground and which one for icy surface? Explain the reasons in your answer. The shoes present in figure C is suitable for rocky soil because its structure increases friction, while the shoes in figure A is useful to walk on ice surface due to its plain structure, and the shoes in figure B is helpful in playground. The patient is sitting in a wheelchair. Which machine will be useful to take him on stage and why? Inclined plane will help us to shift the patient to stage due to its slope. Investigate. Suppose you are writing on a notebook with a pencil. Answer the following question based on observation. What force do you use, push or pull while writing? We use pushing force in writing. What is the role of friction in writing on paper with a pencil? Friction helps us writing on paper. It stops the use of force for after writing after a word. After using the pencil, why do we need to sharpen it? We need to sharpen the pencil after use because its tip increase in width, which increase friction. Here are some additional questions. In which direction friction acts? Friction always acts against the direction of movement. Define gravity. The earth actually pulls bodies towards itself with a specific force called gravity. Write uses of pulley. A pulley is a simple machine consists of groove, wheel and a rope.